Hi guys, Derek here. Just received a box in the post, so I'm guessing this should be my EU mystery box. This will be for March 2019, so let's open it up and give it a go. I've already cut the sides. Right, so greeting me at the moment is the EU 3D mystery box in April. Just around the corner, blah blah blah. Thanks again for your continual support. Hopefully see you again in May, which you will. Right, so this month's project is a pullback toy designed around something to do with Easter. Excellent, okay. So this month's filaments. So we have from 3D Tech. Let's try and get that in focus. There we go, it's a bit better. So we've got PETG Hertz Caramel Toffee, Toffee Caramel. This should be 210 to 220, 210 to 250, 50 on the bed to 70 on the build plate. Okay, the next one is from Ad North 3D Filament. We have PETG Red Metallic. Once again, PETG temperatures, so we've got 220 to 250 and 50 to 70 on the bed. Fabadashery, we have some Bling Bling Gold, so I'm guessing that's Silk Gold PLA. 180 to 220 and up to 60 on the bed. And Rigid Ink PLA Blue, Pearl Blue. This is another 180 to 220 and up to 60 on the bed again. That's standard PLA. This month's accessories is a Biltac spatula, which is absolutely fantastic. Right, Lucky Blocks box. Did you get the Lucky Box block? I will check. The winner will get 1 kilo of PETG Toffee Caramel. Okay. And that's obviously the project. Special thanks to 3D Prints Tech. Mystery box, obviously hashtag EU 3D mystery box. And you can get Skolder on Twitter as well. Right, so here we go. Let's have a look. We've got the PLA Bling Bling Gold. Now this looks quite like the Silk Gold that I've got from 3D Prints, so that'd be handy to try and see what the difference is. We have some PETG Toffee Caramel, and it looks like a bronze sort of gold, but it's, well, Toffee Caramel. What we've got here, we have got PETG Red Metallic. Now that looks good. I'm sorry about the camera, but it's definitely a nice colour. I'll be getting some test prints done with these. Or by the way, these are all vacuum packed as well. Very vacuum packed with desiccant pack in there. It's awesome. We've got some Pearl Blue, so we've got a very sort of nice colour blue there, PLA again. Here we go. Oh yeah, nice. So this is the Biltac spatula. I was actually going to order one of these, but there's no need now, because I've got one in this month's box. Thank you very much. Oh, we don't have the Haribo, but we have chocolate mini eggs, due to the fact obviously it's Easter. I'll hand them to the wife, I'm sure she'll eat them. In here we have sticker, one to rule them all, from 3djake.com. Go to his website and have a look, see what's going on. We've got a little fairy chick. Interesting. We've got a rod and some elastic bands. I'm guessing that's for the pullback car thing. And that is it. All done. So, just to recap, we've got the parts for the project coming up. We've got the sticker. We've got mini eggs. I won't put them in there because I know that the missus will have those. We've got the Biltax spatula. So I'll keep that out because I'm definitely going to be using that. Well, when I need to. And we've got the 4 filament samples. Another great box from Skolda. So this is the EU 3D Mystery Box April. I will definitely be getting the Maze one because I've actually subscribed up to it, so that'd be cool. And yeah, you should give this guy a look in. It's very good. It's for the EU UK, and it's the only guy who's actually doing it over here. It's a big job for just one guy, and he's doing great on it. So just to wish him thank you very much once again Skolda, and I'm going to sign out by saying be yourselves. See you later. Bye.